Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can factory reset your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. This product's linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. First way is through the Eureka app, assuming you have this connected to your account. So from your main screen, where you can see your map and all of your cleaning settings, hit the top right-hand corner, those three dots, then go down to the General tab. You're going to select that. And then towards the very bottom, you'll notice we have a reset to factory settings options right here. So you can select that, hit OK, and now you have successfully factory reset your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. Now that's different from a restart. So if you wanted to restart it, you can do that right here from the app, or you can hold down the power button. But that's the first way that you can factory reset your Eureka. Let's go look at the second way. The second way consists of holding down the charge button and our Wi-Fi network button here at the same time until we hear a ding. So we'll go ahead, we'll do that now. So that was about 10-15 seconds. We heard the ding, we can let go, and now it's going to factory reset. So the light stayed solid, but we just heard the chime right there. So I know stuff is going on for the factory reset. So just give it a minute after you press those buttons and hear the ding. You're in the clear. You'll hear that chime. The light's still illuminated.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We have the hi, nice to meet you prompt. So everything is back online. Again, the light's been solid the whole time. Everything's been factory reset and we can set up our J15 Pro Ultra again.